The wheels on your Corvette can either make or break the look of your car. Having the right set of rims can really set off your ride in a way that no other accessory can. If it's time to upgrade the wheels on your Vette, CorvetteMods has what you need. CorvetteMods is the leader in Corvette wheels for any generation. Whether you're looking for vintage-style replacements, factory reproductions, or aftermarket upgrades, you'll find what you want at CorvetteMods. We deal in rims for any year Corvette in just about any style: classic, modern, racing, and almost anything in between. And because we deal directly with the manufacturers, we can offer the lowest prices on complete wheel sets for your Corvette. In addition to new rims, CorvetteMods also carries all of the wheel accessories you may require. Whether you need a new set of wheel spacers for proper fitment, a set of lug nuts to match your new wheels, or attractive center cap decals to complete the look, we can supply exactly what you're looking for. If you have any questions about wheels for your Corvette, remember our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff is here to help. Call us today or shop online at CorvetteMods.com. We can help you find that new set of wheels you need to make your Corvette look as good as new and stand out from the crowd. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. At CorvetteMods, we obsess over your Vette.